A PC by itself many times cannot be fully functional. It needs accessories, or what's called peripherals. Some common peripherals might include things such as keyboards, mice, monitors, printers, webcams, speakers, scanners, etc. The exciting thing about today's peripherals is that many of them fall under what's called plug and play. This means that once the peripheral is plugged into the PC, usually via a USB connector or in the case of speakers, a line out jack, both communicate with each other without the need of the user to download any software or drivers. This is fantastic. For other peripherals and accessories, an installation disk or download instructions might be provided. With these, installation prior to attaching the device is usually necessary. At Channel Consultant, let us handle the headache and unsurety that might come along with purchasing and installing a new PC peripheral or accessories. We'll take care of it for you.